Okay, it's mid-October. We're working on the approach to our property here. They're putting in a new culvert, much larger, about twice as big as the other one, and this will be now the main entrance to the property. We're getting ready for the driveway, so we're staging several pieces of equipment. A mini excavator here, and we have some rollers to compact the surface. These things vibrate like crazy. We have a lift for doing the painting. And then we have the very large forklift. We have the skid steer here. He's kind of been the mainstay of work around here. We also have a lot of changes going on for the barn. We have electric garage doors. That's the 13-foot door opening there. We have a roof on the place. We have the fascia all painted. And then on the inside, we've made a lot of progress too. We have lighting in place. We have all our outlets and switches in place. We have the rough-in for the bathroom all done, with all the vents and the pipes, all the PEX and everything. We have the rough-in for the hot water heater done. We also have an outside hose bib with a service loop. The shop has the lights all installed. We got the door for the theater. We have the front door installed. We have the front porch all done and roofed, ready for paint.